Hey, Clara. Oh, hi, Valerie. What is it? Want to go shopping? If we win a million studs, we will. Yay! I'll go tell everybody. They're all over there. Oh, right.
I bet I can beat you at anything.
You wish you beat me at everything. I'm the best at the video games when it comes to platforming, jumping on turtles and stuff like that.
Well, I can smash an entire turtle. You just stomp on them, and they hide in their shell, and you just kick them and they roll.
Yes, exactly. I can also axe a bridge and shoot fire, but I need a magical flower that can do that.
Huh. Sweet. I could do that without all of your techniques. Without a magical flower or a mushroom. Huh. In fact, I could lift this entire table if I wanted to.
Oh, really? I would like to see you try.
I'm not going to.
Why not?
'Cause then I'll get in trouble. And Officer Franco will try to arrest me. I'm pretty sure that's not a law here. Lightning knows the laws, not me. He's just telling me to arrest bad people. Then go arrest Donald Trump. I can't do that. He's the President of the United States. Do not ever say that. Oh no, I think I just broke a law. Well,
No, Donald Trump is never going to be a president. He's too terrible.
huh, I know. Well, back to my life of being a strong werewolf.
Okay, Johnson.
Alright, listen up, maggots.
We're actually gorillas.
Listen up, green gorillas. Today's challenge is going to be a capture the flag challenge. We need to stick together. That means no camping around. Camping is for losers anyway.
Camping? I'm not that big on camping anyway, so...
Get back here!
Right, sir.
I have a plan. I always have plans. This one is perfect.
There's no such thing as perfect.
Bye.
Oh, I don't know if I'm good at this one. I mean, capture the flag. If you don't mind me asking, how do you know if this is a capture the flag challenge?
Oh, I guess you looked through my schedule, didn't you?
Oh, yeah, I did. Why?
Well, good for you, because that's the challenge. You're not in trouble. Follow me. Oh, and, I'm going to explain it to everybody else. Alright, contestants. It's time for the challenge. And if you weren't listening to Scoutman Stu, he found out what the challenge is. Capture the flag. Now, you all know your team names. Orange, orangutans. Green, gorillas. Well, this challenge is a capture the stud challenge. What you have to do is you're on two different areas. And what you have to do is take one of the studs and bring it back to your base in order to win. If you fall on the floor, because in this case you're not allowed to go on the floor, you have to start back over where you were. Also, if you die, you have to go back to where you started. So now, here's where you're going to be. Green gorillas, you're going to stay here. Orange orangutans, you're going to the breakfast bar in the kitchen. The giant hand here will take you to the breakfast bar. And green gorillas. You forgot this. You're gonna stay here. And try... Lucy, stop falling. You are going to stay here and try and get the orange stud and bring it back here before the orange orangutans take your green stud to their base. And no, you're not allowed to hold on to it and hide it. You have to leave it open, because it'll be impossible to actually finish the challenge. Anyway, go.
Whoa, would you look at that? We have the entire table to ourselves. Well, I guess we better take this.
Wait, stop! Gavin told us not to take it with us.
All right. Huh. Well then, it's actually going to be pretty difficult. Huh. Yeah, this is my kind of challenge. I have a plan. All we have to do is hide this, and Gavin doesn't want us to hide it either.
Killing people. That sounds really fun. I'm in.
So am I. You're not killing anybody. Hey, that's exactly what I would say. No killing. This is gonna be fun.
Don't worry. I know the laws of capture the flag. In this case, capture the stud. So, if take this with us to the other base, it'll count as them winning because they have our stud.
Well, how do you know?
I've done it before. I've even done it in training.
Let me see here. Oh, just a fine orange stud. Okie dokie. I'm gonna go fight the other team.
Wait for me, man. I'm very strong. Guys, are you sure this is safe? Don't worry, kid. I picked you to protect you. You picked me for my team. Oh, yeah.
I love races. Come on, Valerie. Okay.
Alright, kid. Stay by my side.
Okay.
This is your first official day of training. Right. What should I do? Follow me.
Hey guys, I have a plan.
What is your plan, sir?
So, I was watching episode 5 of season 1, and what they did was they climbed over the couch, used these pillows as stepping stones, and they jumped onto that chair and watch out for that monster. And then they walked across this, and they jumped onto that counter. But I have no idea how, though. Well, I saw one episode where Francis sailed inside of a cat bowl. So, what if we used the pillow stepping stones as a boat? Yes, that is genius. That is genius plan. Brit Bret. Please, just call me Brett. Doesn't matter. Fine, Brett. You shall be my sidekick, and together we would take over the world now.
This is so boring. I want to kill someone.
Hey, don't be like...
Ugh! Just die!
Hey, that is not how to be friends with anybody.
Shut up.
Hiya! Stay down there for a while, please. Thank you.
Are you sure I'm gonna be safe if I'm behind you? Don't worry, kid. Everything's gonna be fine. Just look out for criminals like Gregory and Rodney. Yeah, I know who they are. But don't you think we should split up? Kid, I took you with me so I can protect you because you're on my team. Yeah, thanks for that, but I think I'm fine by myself. You think you're fine by yourself? Well, if you manage to win the challenge for us, I'll let you go independent. Okay, but still, thanks for protecting me, but I don't really need it. Well, the test starts now.
Yes, this is a good plan.
Thank you. I'm so glad you like it. We should probably get moving.
Alright, guys, let's get pushing. This is taking forever. Yes, I know. That's because we're on the carpet. Here we go. We're moving. Push. I'm pretty sure Gavin said no camping out.
But someone has to stay here and to protect the stud.
Well, at least I'm here. I can kill anybody who tries to take it.
Yeah, but shouldn't we go out to get the other stud? It's 6 against the 4, and we're the only 4.
Well, we have 6, but yeah, the other 4's going out. Don't worry, I am strong. I could sever your arm if I had to.
You're going to sever my arm.
No.
I guess you're not so strong after all.
Oh, really?
Oh my god, you really did sever my arm.
I know.
How does it not even hurt?
'Cause we're made out of plastic, and we're basically toys.
Toys?
Yeah. Don't you see? It doesn't even hurt at all. I can sever my arms and it doesn't even hurt. Heck, I can even decapitate my head.
But wouldn't you die from that?
I guess you can. I did see that happen to someone last season, but you get my point, right?
Yes. May I have my arm back, please?
Yes.
So there I was, walking along the road, and there I saw... hey, I'm sorry, but only one of you gets to live. No. What are you doing here? Oh, I just so happened to come across you two. Now, who's it going to be? Who's going to live? Well, I suppose both of us. Nope, you can only pick one. So, who's it gonna be? Get her! Clara! Fine, get me. Valerie, you run for it. Oh, I don't think so. You come with me. I'll fight her off. You just run. Okay. But I can't get across now. What should I do? Oh, I know.
This is taking too long. I want to kill someone right now. Team members do not kill other team members. Well, this one is just about to. That's it. Get off my boat. Ah! We don't need them anyway. We don't need all team members to get to the end.
Wait, what's this I see? Oh no, this is not happening. Pull over. Dock it. What? What? Should we wait for her?
It's the best thing to do. If they don't want me on their team, then I don't want to be on their team. I'm gonna take this and catch up to them, so they don't know where to find us. It's a good plan, I know.
Well, that was easier than I thought it would be. Well, I guess I shall keep going. Without falling. I'm having so much fun. Maybe I'll be a racer like my sister. That would be wonderful. And how am I going to get across from there now? I know. Yellow! I love it. Wait a minute. Where did it go? Where is it? I don't see it. Hey, I think someone actually got it. I should probably go back now.
Lucy, you came back.
I did.
Did you win?
Nah, she got away.
Well, let's keep rowing. We're almost there. Just a few more feet. Push faster.
I'm trying.
Valerie, how did you get back here? Did you fall off? Actually, no. I made it. Really? So where's the green stud? I don't have it. It's not there. Ooh, this is a good sign. That means somebody has it and it's going to bring it here.
Unless, they're trying to protect it by taking it with them, which is against the rules. Unless you're bringing it to the other base. Well, you do know that if you fall on the floor or die, the stud teleports back to where it started.
Yeah, about that. Since it wasn't there, I decided to come back here, so I jumped on the floor, and I thought by doing that, it'll take me back here.
Oh, I see. The old suicide to escape trick. I see what you did there.
Yes, I did. Anyway, my sister's going out to look for the stud, but I need to go tell her that's not even there. Wait a minute. I thought you were sticking with your sister. Yeah, but Lucy came in and she kind of attacked Clara. Well, I have to go tell her now.
Wait,
Huh?
would you mind staying here, keeping an eye on this?
Mario, why don't you go? Johnson, you stay.
Fine. Mario, you go.
Okie dokie. You just passed the counter.
Yes, I know. We have to climb this way, up the chairs.
Up the chairs? Wait a minute. I know exactly what I can do. Push over to the counter. I'm acrobatic, remember? All right. Give me your stud. I need to take it back to our base.
Oh, not so fast. I'm super strong that I can kick you. What?
Nice try. I'm so speedy. What? Ah!
Sorry, Valerie. Well.
Bye.
Well, after them. Not so fast. Huh? Who said that? I believe it is me. Really? Hey, where did it go? Well, they took it. I guess I'm going to... Haha. Hey, and it even knocked out the stud.
So that's where it went. Hey, it looks like we win.
That's right. You guys have won the challenge. Orange orangutans win. So, green gorillas, I guess you're gonna have to go to elimination then.
Wait, what? We lost?
How did we lose? Oh, that was the best. No.
And we even have the stud.
I think I know why. They must have beaten us here.
Okay, before we start the elimination, I just want to say thank you, Rodney. You helped us win the challenge.
Wait, what? I didn't know that was going to make us lose.
If you didn't know, why did you take it? Yeah, why'd you take it?
Shut up. I only need one person talking to me at a time. I guess I know exactly who I'm going to vote for. Yes, you. Vote for yourself. If you don't vote for yourself, I will kill you. No, that's it.
Elimination time. Come on, let's go. Alright, welcome to the first elimination of Season 2. In this episode, one of you will be eliminated from the game. I have 5 of these leftover pieces right here. One of you will not get one, while the rest of you will get one. If you don't get one, you're eliminated. You should already know this. Contestants that are safe are Lucy, Brit Bret, Old Maiden Lauren, and Mad Scientist Gregory.
Alright, I got the blue lever piece.
And you do know you're going to have to give it back as soon as the elimination's over, right?
Right, oh well.
So I have this orange piece here. One of you will get it, while the other won't. The last safe is Scoutman Stu.
Should have seen this coming. Well, we're all gonna die now. Ah!
Nobody's going to die now, because we are finally down to 11. Find out what will happen next time on Lightning Lego Battle.